Brand Off the Cuff, Associate Partner Uptech.
Yeah, hi. My name is Dilip. I'm from Uptick and we are a fintech company. First of all, I really admire you guys because before Skyroot, I've never imagined a private player launching rockets in India, and you made that possible. So, again, it is capital intensive and it is not easy to raise capital, especially initial ones. And you have done that. And I believe that you know the pain points in doing that. So, my question is what kind of financial ecosystem or the financial innovation do you want to see in next few years beyond VCs to make rocket launches more accessible and scalable?
Yeah, I think one thing which India needs very in the journey of Skyroot, I realized, how difficult it is to raise capital. Like I mentioned, raising capital is like rocket science. We had to raise capital 1300, 1400 crores before the first revenue comes in the company. This is, I don't know, like, which startup had to do it. We had to do it because that's the nature of our business. And when we did it, I mean, I realized that, India needs that risk capital gap to be closed, and I recently saw an interview of Jeff Bezos. He says that why is America having the largest companies in the world? Because they have the highest access to risk capital in the world. People just take crazy risks which can't even imagine. That's what makes America what it is. I think India is now at time we have like the best talent in the world. In fact, Indian talent is going across the world and building everything else outside of India, right? But when we have so much talent out here and many people now from brain drain to brain gain, people want to come back and work for the country right now. I think we need like absolutely risk capital is going to change everything. I think one of the biggest initiatives recently, thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister, he opened up RDI, 1 lakh crores, which is real money coming in right now, just announced, and real money coming into deep tech startups, especially, which is like, loans and, equity capital, which is coming into people, is going to completely transform. And that is just the beginning. And I think we need more and more risk capital coming into the country, which can really transform. And especially for space, not only rockets, anything else. I think we need huge risk capital to take that first 1,000 crore leap, without making a penny, because that's probably going to be $1 trillion company, maybe, right? So I think that risk capital is something which is missing, but I think I see it coming in the coming years. I hope like successful entrepreneurs here, definitely, build wealth and, and take that risk leap in the next phase.